Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Ismail Rashid. Today we are talking about our final year project, which is split air conditioner system. The demand of air conditioning system is increasing due to the effect of global warming and climate change. If we still rely on conventional sources and conventional air conditioning system, then we facing the difficult global warming in future. If we still rely on conventional air conditioners and electricity is generating from conventional sources like fossil fuels, then the greenhouse gas emission would be worsen global warming. In subtropical cities, the demand of air conditioning is a standard provision for building, and it commonly take up half of the electricity of a building. So we make a final year project of split air conditioners, and our air conditioning system reduces global warming potential due to the use of R410 air refrigerant. And with this we take electricity by using photovoltaic solar system, which is mono PERC plates. This system can use in a small spaces where normal system cannot be used due to high electricity consumption and high prices. It is basically a split air conditioning system having both functions. Either you can mount on a wall or place on a table or shelf, just like a computer. We are using the latest refrigerant, which having a 0 ODP, and it is basically a hydrofluorocarbon, and making with the mixing of two gases having 50-50% ingredients, and these gases are R32 and R125. Its coefficient of performance is 3.63, and its running pressure is 220, and its suction pressure is 110. The features of our project is less electricity consumption, small size dimensions, pleasant look, and maintenance cost is low, and price is low in bulk production. So now I want to show you our final year project in physically, and this is the remote of our final year project. So let's go. So this is our physical model and physically system. This is our indoor system. You can see that it's very small dimensions and a new look. It's totally designed by me. So you can see this is the drain section of indoor system, indoor body. This is remote control system, and now you can see that we are starting our system. So we are starting our indoor unit by this remote, and you can see I can feel the air. And after 2 to 3 minutes our outdoor unit start. You can see that our unit is start. So this is our physical model of air conditioning system, and hopefully you like our efforts and our struggle. So शाम को वजह है due हो जाए अल्लाह. So this is our struggle of continuously 3 months, and hopefully you like it. And आखिर में मैं अपने टीचर्स का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, especially Sir Shahid Iqbal, and he is our project supervisor, and he is lecturer of mechanical engineering department at Dubai Engineering College. उनका शुक्रिया कि उनकी मेहनत से, उनकी हेल्प से, उनकी मदद से हम इस मुकाम पर पहुँचे कि हमने एक सिस्टम डिज़ाइन किया. तो ये मेरे ग्रुप मेंबर्स हैं प्रोजेक्ट के. So these are my project group members, Noman and Musim. आपको कुछ कहना चाहिए?
एट दी एंड जो है मैं अपने तमाम ग्रुप मेंबर हैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, ख़ासतौर पे इस्माइल का. इन्होंने हमारे साथ हर स्टेप में हमारी मदद की. इनफैक्ट इस्माइल जो है हमारा ग्रुप लीडर है.
The cameraman of this video is Musibul Ateek, and he is also our group member. और हमेशा ये मेरे साथ गए, जब भी इसको बुलाया ये फ़ौरन हमारे साथ है. जब भी हमें कहीं पर भी जाना पड़ा ग्रुप के सिलसिले में, प्रोजेक्ट के सिलसिले में, तो ये अवेलेबल. So thanks Musib.
Thank you so much, Ismail.
جتنی ہم نے ایفرٹ کی ہے اس پروجیکٹ میں، امید ہے کہ یونیورسٹی مینجمنٹ کو ہمارا پروجیکٹ بہت پسند آئے. تو یہ ویڈیو ختم ہوتی ہے یہاں پہ. اللہ حافظ.